I just finished my first tax busy season. I have so many things to share with you, but today I always share three main things that I think these things are really important. First, it is very stressful. I love tax, but the first tax busy season just drove me crazy. I didn't balance my energy well enough. I got so excited in first 2 weeks that I always slept about 4 or 5 hours every night, but still had full energy the following day. Even though I worked 12 hours during the day, I still talk about tax to my husband when I got home and still thought about tax when I went to bed. All my life was full of tax, nothing else. However, because I didn't manage my energy well enough, I got so stressed and exhausted later. I couldn't sleep many nights and had trouble staying focused at work due to lack of sleep. I couldn't stop dreaming about tax returns. In the last 2 weeks of the busy season, I constantly had trouble sleeping. Lesson to learn: you should not get too excited or exhaust yourself too much at the very beginning. Manage your energy to balance out from beginning to the end. It's just like you have this bottle of water when you go hiking. Do you want to finish all of this water at the very beginning when you just start hiking? I guess not. Second, it's the best time to learn about tax, but it's not enough time to learn. The busy season is the best time for me to learn about tax because I can prepare many tax returns. You will understand things thoroughly when you actually put your hands on them. That's how I feel about tax. However, due to the tax deadline, I couldn't spend too much time on 1 or 2 tax returns or couldn't ask people around too much as everyone was busy. It's understandable that it takes longer to do anything for the first time. However, it doesn't mean that you could spend 20 hours on a tax return that first-year associate finished just in 8 hours last year, with the condition that all information of the tax return stay relatively the same with the prior year. Lesson to learn: write down all your questions and ask the senior or manager all the questions at once. You save your time to go back and forth and also able to ask more questions. Write down all things you want to understand more later after busy season. So once it's over, you could go back and research more to understand the issue better. The third thing is people around are busy and stressed. Every day I went to work, I just want to get the tax returns done and then went home after working 10 to 12 hours. That was the same to everyone else. Everyone was busy and stressed, just the same as I was. Therefore, people may not talk much as normal or they may say things that they didn't mean just because they are so stressed. I could tell a significant difference in the first day after the busy season, when everyone just came out their queues and talked to each other. Lesson to learn: just separate people from who they are in regular hours and who they are during busy seasons. Don't read too much into people during busy season just because everyone is stressed and busy. I hope this video is helpful for you. Just comment below to see what you learned from your first tax busy season, or second, third, or just from many tax busy seasons. And if you like this video, make sure you subscribe and like the video.